for equations. Like, first of all, before doing equations, we should know certain power. Hereafter, you should not have even 1% counting equation. You should not have even 1%. Now today we are going to go from scratch all the part of equation so you can understand it. Right? So we have to listen to this part so you can know any part of mathematics. The equation is a very important part for mathematics. Okay, I will show you what are the common mistakes or make a whole. Okay. First of all, before doing equations, I should know these things. Another addition of 5 maybe you should know it. 5x plus 3x. How much you get? 8x. That is okay for you know. Minus 5x plus 3x. How much you get? It's minus 2x. Normally, how we do these things? I don't do. Should I do? I take plus 3 as boys, minus as girls. Plus as boys, minus as girls. Right? So, how we do this? Plus boys and minus girls. We get 5 boys and 3 boys, only 3 boys. Here we are getting 5 girls and 3 boys. So, 5 girls, 3 boys, 3 girls get cancel, and 2 girls will remain. So, we are like that. Right? I am taking this. Compare. If we are taking exams, compare. You should really care. You should know those things really care. They are definitely you should know. You should not have minor doubt in this. Other thing is, anything like this. Minus 3x into 4y. How you will do this? Or engineering multiplication. We have to do what is and one more thing. Minus 3x and minus 5x of course. This is according to us girls, 3 girls, 5 girls, no pairs. So everything will be minus 6. Right? So here, these things you should know. But when you have a multiplication, what you should do? You have to do one system. Estimated system. Sign, number, letter system. So first of all, you have to multiply out the sign. Sign which minus into plus you get minus. 3 into 4 you get 12. X into y you get x. So this is the way how you should do a sign, then you have to multiply the number, then you have to multiply the rate. Even in division it is like this. We think minus 8x divided by 2y. Minus divided by plus is how much? Minus 8 divided by 2. 4. X divided by what? X divided by 6. Likewise, we have to multiply. When you make it, did you understand? Is this concept clear? And tell me about this. What do you think about this? These are the basic things you should know. We think like this minus 5x. Minus 2x. We think like this. If there are methods, what we should do first of all, we have to cancel the brackets. Cancel the bracket, what we have to do? Then multiply by the outer side. What is the minus? So this is minus 5x. Minus into minus become plus 2x. Minus 5x and plus 2x. What is the answer? Minus 3x. It can be 5 girls, 2 boys. Then you can have 2 plus 3 girls. So you can get the answers like this. You may give me an answer. Number 7. Below, the thing like this. X squared plus 5x. What will be the answer? X squared plus 5x. Plus 5x is the answer. is slightly side.
How about now? Still like that? Is it okay? Right, good. Okay. Now see this part. So you get here. So first of all, you should know all these things. How to get these answers clearly. That is the first thing. Okay. Because normally you should know these basic things. All right, tell me an answer for this x squared plus 5x. What would be the answer? Answer is same thing. You can't do anything for this. Why? These both are different families. The x squared is a different family. Listen carefully, very important. Here don't take your mind. X squared is a different family, 5x is a different family. So when we have different families, we can't make them together. Run the back, right? So therefore, we can't add these things. So you might tell them make up x. No, this is x squared. X squared is a different family, x is a different family. Then ekama family we don't take. In the making 100% clear the first set. First of all, you should understand when they make it, this answer also, you can write can't simplify. That's all. Can factorize something else. This we are not trying to. I didn't ask to factorize. No. We can factorize. That is okay. What did I ask? I told. Get the answer. I think you should know these things. First of all, මෙන්න මේ චුට්ටි කැල්ල දාගන්නවා in your writing book. මෙන්න මේ චුට්ටි කැල්ල දාගන්න. Sometimes you will feel these are like podi things, but podi things are very important to build up logu things. Right? Mostly you neglect podi things, so you miss the big thing. Okay? ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ කරගෙන යනවා ළමයි. No හදිස්සි. ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ නීට් එකට කරගෙන යන්න. Okay, then only will understand everything clearly. These things are clear. No? Now we'll start the next thing. This is very, very important. You should know this. They don't do. but this is a part I identified. So where most of the people they don't know this, most of the students, right? They don't know this part. All right. So what is this part? So I'll erase all of this now. Whenever you are going to do equations, Tuta, whenever you are going to do equations, right? Whenever you are going to do equations, first of all, you should, there are certain rules. Normally, no one write like this. Normally, I write like this. Whenever you are going to do equations, there are certain rules. What are those rules? Number one, okay, segment the terms. Most of the people they don't do this when they are doing equation, right? මේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය දන්නේත් නැහැ what is segment the terms කියන එක, right? First one is segment the terms, right? This is the first thing, number one. Number two, make the kingmaker as positive. Make the kingmaker as positive. No, now you won't understand this. What are these things here? I will explain, don't worry. Number three, always kingmakers head up. Okay, always kingmakers head up. මං හදාගත්තේ වගේ. These are my words. මේම kingmaker කියලා කවුරුත් you won't learn in maths. Segment the terms එකක්වත් maths class වල you won't do. Because all are my, I'm teaching in a different way, right? Not like ordinary teaching. Always it is different. Always it is extraordinary, right? ඉතින් මේ මොකද්ද මේ what are these things? So you have so many lessons in for your life also in this equation. That's why to give that idea as well. So I'm just trying to do in this way. හරිද? මේ මොකද්ද මේ segment the terms. We'll see one by one. So first of all, remember these three things. හරිද? මෙන්න මේ තුන first of all, right? Rules of equations. So you can write rules of equations, right? Under rules of equations, whose method is this? DM's method. Which DM? Direct message method. Dr. Maths method, right? This is Dr. Maths method where I'm the innovator of this. ලියා ගන්න ලස්සනට. First of all, write these things very neatly. Right. Then, under this, first of all, I can say, again, now I said rules of equation. These are the three. Now we'll see one by one. මේ මොකද්ද මේ කියලා. يعني today ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ තුන ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ ආයේ උඹලට equation බැරි වෙන්නම බෑ. Right? ඊතර පොඩි එකෙක්ට වගේ I'm going to explain this, right? Simple to complex. Right. First thing, what is this segment the terms? So you know the three rules. First of all, we'll see what is this segment terms. Randomly, I will write few words. In කැමති word ටිකක් දාමු අපි. First of all, we'll write some animals names. Animals ලගේ නම් ටිකක් මම ලියන්න. Cat. පළවෙනිට එන්නේ cat කියලා animal නේ ඔළුවට. එතන ලියන්න plus cat plus 3 rat. ඔව් කරිය. cat plus 3 rats. තව animal කෙනෙක්වත් දාමු. තව එකක්වත් දාමු අපි. minus අපි දාමු තව එකෙක්ව මේ අපි දාමු monkey දාමු monkey mo plus nky e ඕනේ e පැනලා ගිහිල්ලා right monkey e එක නෑ ඒක monkey ගේ new version එක right හරි ඔක් හරි first of all ඒක නෙමෙයි දැන් e එක නෙමෙයි දැන් important වැඩි දැන් බලන්න ඕනේ මොනවද මේක වෙන්නේ කියලා first of all tell me පුතා මේකේ මොකක් වෙනවද first of all tell me how many terms are there remember one thing terms are separated by plus and minus terms are separated by what plus and minus itu terms are separated by plus and minus ඒ නිසා එන්න this one we are taking as one term එන්න මෙයා first of all you just decide how many terms will be here හරියට බලන්න බලලා කියන්න how many terms are here මේ වැඩේ පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න right how many terms are here right my question is how many terms are here answer is 4 terms I said terms are divided by plus and minus terms are divided by plus and minus therefore this is one term this full set is one term මෙන්න මේ mo එක one term nk is one term right yeah හරියට මේක you should know මේක හරියට first of all you should understand to separate the segments මාරම important work එකක් mostly neglected area by students මෙහෙම එකක් ජීවිතේට කරලා නැහැනේ මේවත් දන්නෙත් නැහැනේ කරන්නේ and mostly neglected area but most important area තව එකක් කරමු right නිකන් අර ආතල් එකටයි with the animals name අපි දැන් තව නම් ටිකක් දාමු අපි දැන් අපි දාමු නිකන් fruits වල නම් ටික fruits කියනකොට ඔළුවට එන first fruit එක ඉතින් apple නේ එහෙම නැත්නම් මම දන්න උඹලට මොනවද එනවද කියලා right apple නේ ඔළුවට එන්නේ පොඩි කාලේ ඉගෙන ගත්තේ A for apple කියලානේ හරිද ඒ නිසා apple වලින් පටන් ගමු අපි apple වලට double p එනවා but මම apple එක short කරලා ආදරේට මෙහෙම ලියන්නම්කො apple කියලා right එතන තව එකක් දාමු apple plus තව හොඳම famous fruit එක orange නේ right orange එක මම දාන්නම් මෙහෙම එකක් දාලා orange එක මම තව දානවා මෙහෙම orange එක ඉතුරු කැලේ ටික orange එක මෙතනට දාන්න right හරියට කියන්න ඕනේ මේක ගොඩක් important මේකේ terms කොච්චරක් තියෙනවද apple orange වල terms කොච්චරක් තියෙනවද this is very important නේද මේකේ 3 කියලා නිකන් හිතෙනවා හිතෙනවා 3 terms are there වගේ but මේ ඇත්තට තියෙන්නේ terms කොච්චරක්ද only 2 terms why think now only I said no දැන් කිව්වේ terms are separated by plus and minus කියලා කතාව Yeah, I told terms are separated by plus and minus. ඒක ඇත්ත. But පුතා නිකං හරි if that plus or minus connected with a line මෙහෙම මොකක් හරි line එකකින් if they are connected those two things will include as what term? One term. Because of this line, this will include as one term, this will include as the other term. Got the point? හරියට අපි මේ වැඩේ කරගමු. එක ලස්සනට. හරි. Next one. තව එකක් දාමු. දැන් එකක් animals, එකක් fruits. ඔය එකක් දාමු vegetables වලින් දාමු. vegetable කියනකොටම ඔළුවට එන vegetable එක මොකක්ද? බලන්න එන vegetables, right? හරිද? tomato ඇවිල්ලා vegetable එකක් නෙමෙයි බං, right? tomato is a fruit. හරි. එතකොට මේ vegetable එක first one එක එන්නේ A for මොකද්ද? vegetable එක A වලින් start වෙන vegetable එකක් තියෙනවා. නෑ. නෑ. No any vegetable starting with A. කවුරු හරි දන්න කාටද දන්නද? A වලින් start වෙන vegetable එක. එහෙම නැද්ද? නෑනේ. නෑ වගේනේ. හරි. මොකක් හරි. B වලින් start වෙන vegetable එකක් තියෙනවද? brinjal ඉන්නවා brinjal. brinjal. අපි දාමු BR දාමු උඩ plus දාලා enjol ng ඊට පස්සේ පල්ලෙහා all OL වගේ මේ මෙයක් දාමු මේ මෙයක් දාලා මොකක් හරි හරිද ඒ වුණත් අපි OL කියලා දාමුනේ OL කියලා එන එකට තමයි OL කියලා දාන්නේ නැත්නම් AL වෙනවනේ බස් රයිට් හරි ඊට පස්සේ අපි දාමු තව එකක් මයිනස් කියලා දාලා අපි දාමු මේ O over carrot දාමු එතන A plus R එකක් දාමු කා brinjal කා හරි හරි මෙතන how many terms are there මෙතන how many terms are there two terms right here there are two terms කොහොමද මේ two terms එන්නේ because since there is a bracket right අපි මෙහෙම නෙමෙයි මේක මෙහෙම දාමුකෝ brinjal වල brinjal එකේ එතන අපි br විතරක් will put ol න මෙයාර විතරක් if we put ol now how many terms are there now how many terms are there how many terms are there two or three two terms still two why two because there is a bracket if they haven't put the bracket these two would have considered as two terms but because of the bracket this is considered as one term ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ terms ටික first of all you should identify to segment the terms මෙන්න මේක very important you have to identify there are two terms when first of all under first number write the heading segment terms කියලා දාලා okay segment terms කියලා දාලා මෙන්න මේ ටික ටක් ගාලා දාගමු now we are going to a big work from podi work හරි දාන්නකො පුතා ඒක ලස්සනට වැඩේ කරගෙන යමු right now we are in the segmenting part ඒ segment ටික කරගෙන යන්න ඊට පස්සේ only we have to speak about the kingmaker right we have to speak about the kingmaker right ටක් ගාලා ලස්සනට වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න divide the segment use two colors දදා ඒක ලස්සනට වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න පුතා Yeah, but I said no, terms are separated only by addition and subtraction. That is a multiplication. Understood? Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. All right. Now we'll go directly for equation. I think kingmaker gonna give an. I'll tell there. What the kingmaker. I'll with the examples directly. We'll do the formulas. Sorry, equations. Aking මේටික හරියයි. Right. First of all, I'll write a very basic formula. පට්ටම basic එකක්. Right. The students who are having your books, ඒගොල්ලෝ book එකේ කරගන්න. Right. The students who are not having the books, you think no need to get tens. Your tens and note නෑ. ඒක නිකන් you can write everything here, whatever here. Right. All right. Now, මෙන්න මේක තමයි scene එක. මොනවද? The first one is a very basic thing. Everything normally we have extended the basic one. Number one, I'll write x plus 3 equal 8. X plus 3 equal 8, right? Right. This is the first one. So first of all, tell me, make whatever I'm going to do is a basic thing, but take a karam, right? First of all, tell me, normally we are taking like this, Sudha. This is the equation mark. This is the equation mark. මෙන්න මේ equation mark එකේ, right? This is the equation mark. This equations marks this side we are calling left side. Equations mark this side we are calling right side. And again, this is something like this is like a wall, and there are two houses, one in left side, one in right side. Okay. With the equation mark only we are seeing the left and right. First of all, tell me in the left side how many terms are there? There are two terms. This is one term, this is one term. Right side, only this term. So if I want to find x, what I will do? I have to make this one alone, and I have to chase whatever with this. Normally, whenever you are chasing people from you, කොහොමද ඒගොල්ලෝ යන්නේ ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ? දැන් ආදරේ හිතිලද? When you are chasing, whenever you are chasing, මොකද්ද? උඹලා බැන බැනනේ යන්නේ. Right? what උඹට කොහොමරි කෙල්ල අරින්න කියලාමනේ යන්නේ. Right? එතකොට they become the opposite of the relationship. There are so many relationships with X. The method, what is the relationship between the three? Plus. එතකොට මෙයා මොනවද කරන්නේ? This 3 will get chased by the X. When X chases the 3, 3 will go to this side. Okay, යන්නේ go බලා ගන්න. Family වලින් කිව්වොත් පාතු පොළොව. Right? කරගියලා යනවා. Then who will remain in the left side? X. Who is already living here? First of all, right? Whoever already living here. Then write the person who is coming here. Plus 3 when it changes, it becomes minus 3. Now it is working opposite to X. Right? Therefore, X is equal how much? 5. I told a word no puta kingmaker කියලා එක්කෙනෙක්ව කිව්වනේ. Whatever the unknown term, එයා තමයි kingmaker. එයා තමයි මෙතන hero. මම මොනවද කිව්වේ? Kingmaker should be positive කියලා කතාවක් කිව්වනේ. Second one was kingmaker should be positive. Yeah, again, මෙයා තමයි should be positive. Because මෙහෙමත් I can do without sending 3 to other side. 3 can tell X no. Because normally පුතා අර finding X කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Why how they define this? X කියලා කියන්නේ normally for unknown things no we put normally X කියලා. එතකොට ඒකේ normally if you want to find a person's real quality when you can find about them when they are alone. නැත්තම් උන් ගැන කිසිම idea එකක් අපිට එන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් whenever you go to a class you act like a good child, but the same child when you're at home in front of your friends, right, in front of your family members, in a wedding event, right, in a public, in road, when your parents are not at home, උඹලට අර නිකන් අර එක එක ෆේස් වෙනවනේ බං, නිකන් අර multiple personality disorder එකක් වගේ. So can you describe whom you are? උඹලටම දන්නේ නැහැ මම කවුද කියලා, මොන වගේ කෙද්ද. In front of friends, in front of siblings, in front of teachers, in front of a school teacher, in front of a tuition teacher, උඹලට එක එක ෆේස් තියෙනවා. එතකොට උඹ කවුද කියලා බලන්න මොනවද කරන්න ඕනේ? First of all, you have to be alone. Whatever you are doing when you are alone, අන්න එයා තමයි ඔයා. Yes, sometimes you might dress very nice, very neat and tidy. But when you are at home on a poya day or holiday, well, නැගිටින්නෙත් sometimes 1 or 2. Brush කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. right? මොකක් හරි නිකන් කුණු ඇඳුමක් දාගෙන, right? ඔහොම ඉඳගෙන නිකන් ටීවී බල නැත්තම් නිකන් ෆෝන් එක ඔබ right? You will do something. right? එහෙම ඩයල් යන්න, but when you are going out, දට නාලා කරලා perfume වලිනුත් නාලා, right? ඒකට නිකන් අර එහෙම කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවා. Some people are there whether you have school or not. දැන් උඹලා ඇත්තටම උදේ නැගිටින කට්ටියද බං? නෑනේ. What makes you to wake up early? Your school. දැන් ස්කෝලේ නැති වුණ ගමන් පළවෙනි දේ කරන්නේ උඹලා මොනවද? ස්ලීපින් නේ බං. ඒතකොට ඒක තමයි උඹලා රියල් කැරක්ටර් එක. නිදා ගන්නම තමයි උඹලා ඉන්නේ. right? අර school is මොකද්ද? resisting you to sleep. එහෙම තමයි අර එක එක්කෙනාගේ රියල් කැරක්ටර්ස්. right? okay. ඉතින් ඒ නිසා they also told if you want to find who is X, make him alone. උඹලට CCTV එක කැමරා එකක් උඹලා රූම් එක හයි කරලා දාලා අම්මලා නිකන් එළියට ගියා නම් උඹලට දන්නේ නැතුව අම්මලට තේරෙයි පුතාලා කවුද කියලා. right? හරි. උඹලා තින් hina වෙනවා කියන්නේ උඹලත් දන්න උඹලා නස්තාර් ෆෙලෝස් කියලා. right? හරි. මේ මොකක් හරි මේ x equals 5 කියලා ඒක තමයි කිව්වේ king මේක should be positive. දැන් ඕන්නම් මෙහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්නේ. ඔව් x කියනවා 3ට මෙහෙම line එකක් දාලා මේ මචං මේ I want to be alone. පොඩ්ඩක් උඹට එළියට යන්න පුළුවන්. Can you go alone? ඉතින් 3 is written telling me x මේ අර පැත්ත ගෙදර 8 විතරයි තනියෙන් ඉන්නේ. right? උඹ ඒ පැත්තට ගිහිල්ලා 8 මේ පැත්තට යවපන්. හරි? එහෙමත් කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඒත් x will be alone. But if x goes to other side, what will happen? And x, what will happen? X will become minus. එතකොට x එතන plus x නේ බං. plus x අනිත් පැත්තට ගියොත් what x? minus x නේ. ඉතින් ඒ වැඩෙන් මේ 8 මේ පැත්තට ආවොත් මොකක් වේද? minus 8 වෙලා answer will be minus 5 equal minus 6 වෙනවා. හැබැයි ඒක answer විදියට we don't accept. why? king maker should be positive. මම කියනවා නේ ඵලයන් බං යන්න. I'm the king maker. Listen what I say. ඵලයන් යන්න. එතන මම අර ගේම ඇදගෙන යන්නේ. first of all මම කියනකොට මම කියන්නේ අනේ උඹට ඕන්නම් ඵලයන් මම ඉන්නම් කියලා. ඊට සූදානා තග. You know who am I? I'm the king. I'm the king maker. right? වෙන මොර පයින් යද්දෙන උ පැනලා යනවා. right? අර මේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක තේරෙනවද? මෙච්චර කල් මෙහෙම කතාවක් මැත්ස් වල you didn't know. මේක තමයි ඇත්ත කතාව මැත්ස් වල. ඔයාගත්තේ කවුද? ડોක්ටර් ෂුවේච්. right? දැන් මේක ඇත්ත කතාව ඕක තමයි මේ. කියන්නේ තනියෙන් හිටියොත් විතරයි බං we can identify who is this. ඒ වගේ උඹලත් තනියෙන් හිටියොත් විතරයි we know who are you. right? හරි. උඹලගේ ෆෝන් අරන් චෙක් කරොත්. හරි. හොඳයි. number 2. හරි. අපි යමු එක එක විදියට යමු. ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ කරගෙන ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ කරලා දෙන්නම්. superior තමයි equations ටික like superbly you will understand. number 2 මේවයි question එකක් ගන්නම් මේකේ තියෙන question number 3 එක right question number 3 එක තමයි දැන් යන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ in our book මෙන්න මෙහෙම පොතක් තියෙනවා right online students like if you don't know me we are doing with my book right ඉතින් ඒක don't worry about that මේ now we are in question number 3 මොකද්ද ඒ 4x over 3 plus 2 equals 6 right 4x over 3 because you will think after 1 comma the 3 and it should be 2 කියලානේ no I'm telling because with our book හරිද ඒ නිකන් ඉච්චර ලොකුවට ගණන් ගන්න එපා මේ ඕගොල්ලෝ 2 කියලා දාලා වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න right the students who are not having a cute ඒ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ you put 2 and you just continue එතන 4x plus 3 4x over 3 plus 2 equal to 6 කියලා මෙහෙම line එකක් යනවා so first of all what did I tell segment this segment කියනකොට මොකද්ද left side how many are there right side how many are there ඒක බලන්න ඕනේ left side how many are there 2 මෙන්න move එකක් මෙන්න මෙයා තව එකක් right side මේක හරියට අහගන්න this is very important because these are major mistakes what you all doing මොකද්ද if there is another segment එහෙම නැත්නම් තව circle එකක් තියෙනකොට if there is another circle within in the same side both the circles are in the left side no? remember when anything won't get removed in a circle ඒ කියන්නේ when this 2 is there this 3 won't get removed from the x එයා එහෙම යන්නේ නැහැ අර මෙහෙම නෙබ අර this is something like අර ගෙදර නිකන් විසිට කෙනෙක් ආවම උඹලා ගෙදරට විසිට කෙනෙක් ආවම උඹලා ඉන්න විදියට නෙමෙයි උඹලා ඉන්නේ උඹලා එළියට එන්නේ නැහැ ලැජ්ජයි right නිකන් room එක අස්සෙම වෙලා සමහර අයට ඉන්නවා එළියට ආවත් එච්චර කතා කරන්නේ නිකන් වට්ට ඩීසන් ප්‍රෝ වගේ නිකන් ඉඳගෙන නිකන් බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා අයියස් අංකල් යා එහෙම නිකන් මාර ඇක්ට් එකක් දානවා අන්න ඒ වගේ අර පොඩි අරමුණට shy ගතියක් තියෙනවා these numbers won't come out right when there is another visitor එතකොට මෙයා කියනවා දැන් these things are what close with x නේ ඔක්කොම එකම circle එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටියනේ ඌ කියනවා extra x එකකින් මේක මේ කතාව වර්ගයට අහගන්න right නැත්නම් what you will do මෙහෙම ආපු ගමන් first you will send the 3 ඒක වැරදි by because we first of all segment do the segmenting මේවා කරන්නේ from your mind exam වලකින් round and then ඉන්නේ නැහැ first of all you are just doing these things from your mind you should understand move අපිට ගලව ගන්න බෑ right we can't remove this ඒතර අපි මොනවද කරන්නේ right මෙන්න move ඉන්නවනේ first of all මුන්ට කියන මෙන්න මේ දෙන්න කියනවා x ට එහෙම තමයි scene එක move ඉන්න නිසා අපිට එළියට යන්න බෑ ඌ එලවල ගාමු එහෙම තමයි කියන්නේ අපි හිතමු දැන් මෙහෙම scene එක අර දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ගෙදරට එනවා අර ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ඇන්ටිගේ පුතා he is coming and he is also there he's doing some courses එහෙම නැත්නම් he's living there in your house ඔබට හැමදාම ඌ ඉන්නේ වදයක් අම්මට කියනවා යම්මේ අර කොහොම හරි ඉලවල දාන්න right උත් එක්ක ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ අම්ම මොනවද කරන්නේ ඌ ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑනේ කියන්නේ that අනිත්‍ය මොකක් කර කිව්වත් අවුලන්නේ නැහැ I can't study with him he's always calling me to play right හැමදාම සෙල්ලම් කරන්න කතා කරනවා right ඉතින් එහෙම කිව්ව ගමන් listen මම ආවි ඌ ඉලවල දානවා මේ ඔක්කොම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරන්න දන්නවා හැබැයි මෙච්චර කල් හරි කන්සෙප්ට් නැතුව තමයි කර හිටියේ anyway complex things එකපාරම වල හිර වෙලා යනවා ඒකට තමයි කියන්නේ පොඩි examples අරගෙන කියන්නේ ඒ නිසා හරියට අහගන්න right so what you have to do දැන් මේව කියනවා right okay move level දාමු ඒ කියන්නේ first of all if there are any other circles first kingmaker will chase the other circles first of all kingmaker will chase the other circle move තමයි first එලවන්නේ then who will remain in the left side yes who will remain in the left side 4x over 3 will remain plus 2 go to other side mean 6 minus 2 the munget 11 මේකක් තියෙනවා මූ x තෝනේ මූ කොච්චර ළඟින් හිටියත් ඌ තියා ගන්න ඌ එලවල දානවා අයි ඌට ඉන්න ඕනේ තනියෙන් ඊපස් මූ එලවල දැම්මා දැන් මූ මොනවද කරන්නේ උන් දෙන්නගෙන් who is furthest distance. And who is far relation? For the 3 ද? අපිට පේනවනේ කොහොම ළඟින්ම ඉන්නේ. 3 පල්ලෙයා ඉන්නේ. පල්ලෙයා දක්වලා. Whether it will chase now 3. Now they can chase one by one from the same circle. If I know any other circles here, got the point. එතකොට now this x will chase මොකක්ද? 3. When division 3 goes to other side become multiplication 3. Now 4x will remain here after chasing 3. You can put the equal mark. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Then the division 3 to other side become multiplication 3. Now we are chasing this division 3 to that side. It is going to other side, multiplication 3. In every step you are chasing one by one. ඊට පස්සේ කාවද යවන්න ඕනේ? මෙන්න මේ 4. Can you see any relationship between this 4 and x? මොකද්ද? Multiplication. But we can't see any obvious multiplication sign. There are some relationships are there secret. ඒවා එළියට පේන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ ඇතුළෙන්ම විතරයි. සමහරුන් අර රිලේෂන්ෂිප් එකක් තියාගෙන ඉන්න උඹ දැකලම නැහැ. උන් අර ඔන්ලයින් එකේම උන්ගේ රිලේෂන්ෂිප් එක තියෙන්නේ. සම්ටයිම් ඌ ඉන්නේ මේ නයිජීරියාව වල, රයිට්? අර එහෙමත් ඉන්නවා කට්ටිය. some of your friends අර සමහරුන් අර PUBG ගහනවා. එතකොට උන්ගේ යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා මේ නයිජීරියා, ඉතියෝපියා, උගන්ඩා, රයිට්? එක එක කන්ට්‍රීස් වල ඉන්නවා. අට උන්ව දැකලා නැහැ. උන් එක හැබැයි චැට් කරනවා. ඒක රිලේෂන්ෂිප් එකක් නේද? Right. There was I can remember one of my friends. ඌට මේ Facebook එකේ යාළුවෙක් වෙලා ඌට මොකද්ද මේ gift ඔක්කොම යවලා තිබ්බා. ඌව දැකලත් නැහැ මූ. නෑ. يعني මොකද්ද මේ යාළුවෙක්, right? Not other relationships I'm telling. ඌනියා යාළු වෙලා මුත් එක්ක අර හොඳ යාළුවෙක්. So he sent අර birthday gift එක මූට අර order කරලා යවලා තිබ්බා. ඌව දැකලත් නැහැ හැබැයි. එහෙම තියෙනවා, right? Things there are some secret relationship ඔය එළියට පේන්නේ. But if you නිකන් ඇදලා බැලුවා නම් you will see මොකද්ද? Between 4 and x. මර multiplication මේ හැංගිලා මේ hina වීගෙන ඉන්නේ. right? මොල ඇදලා බැලුවා නම් මේ 4y x මෙතන එහාලා එන ඕ නිකන් අර එහෙම hina වීගෙන ඉන්නවා, right? right. හොඳයි. right. එතකොට හැබැයි ඊට පස්සේ මම එකතු කරලා දැම්මම ඌ හැංගෙනවා. ඌට ලැජ්ජා එළියට එන්න, right? right. Then what you have to do now, you have to chase more thing elewala දාන්න වෙනවා කරන්න දෙන්න. Because x want to be alone. ඌ හක්කරි ධර්මාර වර්ඩ් එකක් කරන්න යන්නේ. ඉතින් ඌ want to be alone. ඌ ආවත් ඌ ළඟින් තියාගන්න. Which will chase the 4 as well. Okay. X will be equal 4 into 3 how much? 12. When 4 go to this side become division 4. So x will be how much පුතා? And 3 කියලා you get the answer. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේක තමයි ඇත්ත තත්ත්වය. Right. So you know to do this. ඒ වෙනම කතාවක්. Now only you ought to know why we are doing like this. ඉස්සරනේ automatically වුණා මේක. හරිද? මෙතන questions දෙකක් explain කරලා තියෙනවා. තව ඒකුත් explain කරමු අපි. right? මේකේ තියෙනවා පුතා number 6 විදියට question එකක් මම ඒක කරන්න. First of all I'll explain this. ඊට පස්සේ ලියන්න. First of all listen carefully. right? එක එක ඒවල එක එක කතා set එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා හරියට අහගන්න. I'm talking only about the concepts here. right? 3 7x minus 7. දැන් මම කිව්වා king makers ලා ගැන. දැන් king makers ලා ගැන කියනකොට දැන් මෙතන x ලා there are two people. මූත් ගහ ගන්නවා I am the king maker, මූත් ගහ ගන්නවා I am the king maker. But we are giving a solution. මොකද්ද? දැන් මුන් king maker ගැන දැන් කියනවා මම තමයි king maker කියලා. මූ කියනවා I am the king maker. මොකද්ද ruling එක? king maker should be positive. ඉතින් මේක positive වෙන්න ඕන නම් should I send this 7x to this side or should I send this 5x to this side? Yes. අපි වැඩක් කරේ නෑනේ මේකේ. මොකද්ද? ඉතින් divide the segments. remove segment එක මේක ඉතින් lazy ඉතින්. හරි? these are the segments. පුතා වෙන කොහෙවත් බලන්න මේ board එක විතරක් බලන්න වෙන මොකුත් බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලන් ලියන පොතත් බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. only to see anything ඔක්කොම මෙතන තියෙනවනේ. හරියට මේ focus කරගන්න. Then what should I do? I should send all the letters to one side, all the numbers to one side. But whenever we are sending the letters, we should make sure the king maker should be positive. ඒ කියන්නේ the x should be positive. ඒ නිසා මොකක්ද මම කරන්න ඕනේ? What should I do? I should send whom to other side? 5x to other side to make the kingmaker positive. When I'm sending the 5x to other side, when මෙයාව තියාගෙන වැඩක් නැහැ. We'll send this to this side. හරිද? ඕනනම් මේක two steps වලින් කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. If you want, you can do it in the same step. So we'll write the equation mark. First write whoever living here. Who is living here? Maybe who is living here? 7x. Who is the visitor? And minus 5x. And minus 5x. Now, who is here? In the method 3. 3 is here. Who is the visitor? The way minus 1 come to this side will become plus 7. 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. 7x minus 5x how much? 2x. So I want to find x now. In order to find the x, what should I do? I can keep the x here, send the 2 to this side. So already who is here? 10. When 2 come to this side, become what 2? Division 2. So x is equal to how much? 5. Remember, Puta, most of the students think this is left side is x place. ඌට නිකන් ඒ තැන ලියලා දීලා වගේ. එහෙම නෑ, right? X can be either right side or left side. X කියන්නේ එකයි. I want to be alone. එච්චරයි. Kingmaker, what is he telling? I want to be alone. Either left side දුනත් කමක් නෑ, but it can be right side as well. ඒක ඌට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඒවල් දෙකම එක වගේ තමයි. Twin house එකක් වගේ. Right? දෙකම එක වගේ. ඌට මොන house එක වුණත් ඌට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඌට ඉන්න ඕනේ තනියෙන්. If you write like this, will they reduce marks? නෑ. ඕගොල්ලන්ට සමහර විට sometime you might feel like odd. අර මේ number එක first දාලා move second දාන එක. එහෙම odd වෙන්න ඕනේ නෑ. You should be used to this. මේවා ලොකු ඒවා නෙමෙයි, right? හරි. ඊට පස්සේ මේක මෙහෙම ලියලා ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟ step එකේ I x equal 5 එහෙම නිකන් මේ නාඩගම් no need to put බොරු dramas like girls, right? නිකන් අර ඇත්තට නිකන් අර කොල්ලෙක් වගේ හරියට වැඩේ කරගන්න ඕනේ. සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක තේරෙනවනේ? අර යන් කෙල්ල බොරුවට අන්නවා වගේ. සබ්ජෙක්ට් කරන්න නැතුව දැන් ලස්සනට වැඩේ කරන්න. මේ ටික හරියද? Now I am going to tell a most important thing where most of the students don't know. හරිද? මේ හරියට මේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක. හරිද? මේ number 6 නේ. හරිද? In case දැන් මේ කතාව අහගන්න. දැන් මෙහෙම කතාව ඉවරයි. Now I am starting a new episode. In case if it happen like that. කියලා දැන් කතාව ආයි restart කරනවා. Right? Repeat එකක් වගේ. Right? In case if this sign is negative. මේ කතාව හරියට අහගන්න ඕනේ. Don't write anything. පට්ටම important මාර්ම serious කතාවක්. In case if this sign is minus. මොකක් වෙයිද? When I'm sending this 5x to other side, it become what x? What is the connection between this 5x and 3? එතකොට it will be other side mean when I send in this 5x to other side, it become what 5x? Minus 5x to the plus 5x. Minus 5x to plus 5x. ඉතින් මෙතන minus තියෙනවානේ between the. Right? අන්න හරියට අහගන්න. I said no connection. හැම වෙලාවෙම connection is there. Always ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. No connection in පස්ස පැත්ත. Right? Always connection in what පැත්ත? ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. Connections making always what පැත්ත? ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. Front side only. No back side. හරි. එතකොට මුගේ connection එක තියෙන්නේ කොහෙද? මුයාගේ ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. ඉස්සරහා පැත්තේ what is the sign? මොකුත් නැහැනේ. මොකුත් නැහැ කියන්නේ it is plus. Remember, always the connection is in ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. Whatever the sign in ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත, that only will change. මේක තේරුණාද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? මේ හරියට understood. Clear නේද? Right. හරියට මේව ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න. Right? Always connection is between ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. Then I told the connection is in ඉස්සරහා පැත්ත. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙයාගේ 4 into x නෝ. එයාගේ මෙයාගේ connection එක තියෙන්නේ පස්ස පැත්තද එතකොට? එතකොට මෙයාගේ ඉස්සරහා තියෙන්නේ multiplication 4ද? Right? මෙහෙමනේ පුතා multiplication scene එකේ if you write 4 into x also okay, if you write x into 4 also දෙකම එකයි. ඒ නිසා in multiplication අර connection මොන පැත්තෙත් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Very carefully you should know that. Because multiplication එකේ අර connection එක අර if it a multiplication, that multiplication belong for both දෙන්නටම. ඒක තමයි යා hide වෙලා ඉන්නේ. Because it belong for both. You know about the x into 4 and 4 into x both are same. කතාව තේරුණාද? හරි. හොඳයි. Now I told many things. I hope now you have got a better understanding in equation. Right? තාම ඉවර නෑ කතාව. තව තියෙනවා. Complex වලට තාම ගියේ නෑ. Still we are doing චුට්ටි පොඩි things. හරි. ඒක අග්ගල ඉවර කරලා දාන්න පුතා. මේ හැම එකක් write it beautifully. ලස්සන්ට circles දාලා ඒක ලියන්න. Right. 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 හරි. අග්ගල ලස්සනට වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න මේක. Although you have got the answer, try to understand it properly. මේ ගොඩක් කතා සෙට් එකක් කිව්ව මේ මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියන එක. Right? I have the clear idea. Right. Now, මෙන්න මේ ටික හරිනේ පුතා. මෙන්න මේ ටික understood න? Clear නේ මේ ටික? Right. Now, the next one. අපි we are going for further advanced things. මේ ටික ඉවර වුණාම තව ටිකක් advanced වලට යමු. Right. මේ චුට්ටි ඒවා. Now, we'll go to the next one. මෙන්න මෙහෙම කතාවකට අපි යමු. Right? Carefully observe this. මේකේ number 9 කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. I will explain that. Number 9. මොකද්ද මේ number 9 කියලා කියන්නේ? This is number 9. 9 එකේ question එක මොකද්ද මේ? We'll check on that. Right. How number 9 goes? 4 plus 8 over x equal 8. කියන්නේ 4 plus number 9. 4 plus 8 over x equal 8. මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙන එකක් තමයි යන්නේ. Is it clear? Then first of all we'll divide the terms. මොන terms තියෙනවද කියලා බලමු. Left side how many terms are there? Left side there are 2 terms. Right side there is only 1 term. එතකොට then whom should I send to this side? I have to send this 4. I can send this 1. Then if I send this 4, what will happen? Yeah, it will become minus 4. Now 8 over x will be here. Here 8 is there. When plus 4 come to this side, minus 4. Whom should send I next? X or 8? X. Why? I told always the kingmaker's head up. Yani always kingmaker should be up, not down. මේ පල්ලේ හැංගිලා ඉන්නවා වගේ. kingmaker කියන්නේ කවුද? Always head up. Right? මේ පල්ලෙහා ඉන්න බෑ. So if you see kingmaker down, what you should do? Aggala, you have to send him to other side. මේ අවුස්සල අග්ගල you can send it to other side. 8 equals 8 minus 4. Division x go to this side mean multiplication x. If you want to find x, you can send this 4 to this side. Then you can write 8 divided by 4. Will remain here x. So x is equal to. Then almost now you know everything. Our example we'll do. Sorry. Yeah. Now, the 10th one you all can do. Or 10th one එකත් will do. 10th one also a good one. Number 10, 3 plus 8x over 4. 3 plus 8x over 4 equal 3 minus 6. Equal 3 minus 6. Now you can see how many terms. First of all, you separate the terms. How many terms are in left side? Only one term. How many terms are in right side? There are two terms. Arun? Now, first of all, still I can't find the kingmaker because this is a whole mess. First of all, if there are things like this, and if now we have a denominator here, no, usually we don't deal with denominators. If there are denominators maximum, try to cancel the denominator. Okay, sorry guys. This suddenly we got a connection interruption, right? All right, now we'll check on this. Observe here, right? Okay, now see the 10th one. So this is 3 plus 8x over 4, 3 minus 6. What should we do first? First of all, I have to do like this. 3 plus 8x equal 3 minus x. Division 4 goes to other side mean multiplication 4, right? Then if it multiplication 4, Buddha, if we write like this, is it correct? No. Why this multiplication belongs? For this 3 and this x both. Why these are two terms? This 4 belongs to both. Therefore, what should I do? I have to indicate with a bracket. Using the brackets is must. Right? This 4 belongs to this both. These are very important areas. Right? If something belongs for two things, we have to indicate with a bracket. So what we can do, now you can multiply that. You can remove the bracket by multiplying both the things by 4. 4 into 3, how much for the 12? 4 into minus 6, minus 4x. Now, who is the kingmaker here? 8x or minus 4x? Definitely 8x. No? Is positive. No? How then minus 4x should come to this side. Plus 3 should go to other side. So 8x is already here. We'll send the minus 4x to this side become plus 4x equal. Already 12 is here. When plus 3 go to other side become minus 3. Here we get 12x equals 9. I can write x is equal 9 divided by 12. 9 divided by 12 I can simplify by 3. No? If I simplify by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3, 12 divided by 3, 4. So I can write the answer as what? 3 over 4 here. I can finish this. Then you can keep the answer as a fraction, no problem. Then did you understand these things clearly? Is it 100% clear? Right. So these are very important things. Aggala do this. No, wait. I'll explain this one as well. Make in passe you can write. Okay. The next one is number 11. What is it? 1 over x plus 2 over x. No, we'll do the 12th one. 12th one. What is the 12th one? 1 over 2x minus 1 over 3x equal 5. So I want to make the denominator equal. How can I make the denominator equal? I can multiply this side by 3, this side also by 3, this side by 4, this side also by 4. Okay. Sorry, not 4. We have multiplied by 2. This side, both the sides by 2. This side also by 2, this side also by 2. Then what we get? We get here, whenever you get a common denominator, Buddha, always have a habit, write only one time. Normally we have a habit writing 2 times. Can I explain it? 3 into 1 how much? 3 minus 1 into 2 is how much? 2 equal to 5. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 over 6x equals 5. So send this 6x to other side. Should we send this 6x to other side, or we can remove only this x and we can send it to other side? I can remove this only x and I can send it to other side. Right? No problem. No need to take this 6 with me. Should I take this 6 with me? No. I won't take only the kingmaker to positive 1. I can take this division next separately. Right? Only this one I can take there. No problem. Right? You should know that. We can take only this x to that side. So who will remain in the left side? 1 over 6. Then here 5 into x. So I can take the 5 to this side. If I take the multiplication 5 to this side, become division 5. Division 5 means 6 into 5 equal x. Right? What? What minus? Why minus 5? What is the connection between 5 and x? Yeah, I told them in multiplication what happens. 5 into x also same thing. X into 5 also same thing. right? Sorry. Yeah, it means this 5 goes down, mean it go to the division area. If there is already a number, what should we do with that number? We should multiply that. Okay. Again, normally this is going as a division. This 5 is going as a division only. But since there is a number in the denominator, this 5 we have to multiply with that 6. Right? What would be the answer for this x? This x will be how much? 1 over 30 kilo, we will get the answer. So very two important things were here. If there are fractions in a, if there are, very carefully listen this. First of all, carefully listen. If there is a fraction, first of all, you have to simplify the fraction. If there is a fraction, both the terms are fraction mean, first of all, you have to simplify the fraction. After simplifying the fraction, you will get answer. Again, you can make the x alone. Here, x is in the denominator, so I took only the x here. So I should send this 5 to other side. When 5 coming to this side become division, already there is a number in the division. So this number is the second number joining the division. So already there is a number. This number is the second number joining the division. What we have to do for those two numbers? We have to multiply. Okay, we are not multiplying 5 like this. No? Then only it's known as a multiplication. Here 5 is going down. It will take a division. Right? So here we have right 1 over 30. Okay, you can get the further clarification for this from this. If you want to do something like this, how you will do this? If they give a question like this in this, how will you type in the calculator? You think 10 divide by 2 into 5. How will you type this in calculator? How will you type this in calculator? First you will type. So tell me the buttons what you will type here. First you will type 10. You will mark the, you will type the division mark. Then you mark 2. After that, what you mark? What you should do? Again, you should put the division mark and you should put 5. If you do like this, only you get the answer. What is the answer you should get for this? Answer will be 1. Going to 5, 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. 10 divided by 2, what we get? Answer is 5. If you press the multiply by 5, what you get? 25. So what we have typed? Division 5. That's why I told, although these things are connected with multiplication, මෙතන ඇත්තට ඉන්නේ කවුද? Division. මේක තේරෙනවද මේක ගහනකොට? Right? මේක calculator එක ගහනකොටම you will understand. Is it clear? Everyone clear? මේව එච්චර ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ඔක්කොම එච්චර ඔළුවේ හරියට නැහැ. Now these things are very clear. Is it very clear? So how was the equation session today? Good or excellent? Even the online students, you all can tell, you all can put the feedback in the chat box. තව එකක්, there is a program they are starting on this Sunday. මොකද්ද? Covering the entire grade 10 syllabus. So if anyone wants to get more information, or if you would like to join the sessions continuously, you can message our office number, right? This number 076 367 5466, and you can join our WhatsApp channel as well. Then daily you get questions in that, and also you get all the updates. So everyone don't forget to follow the WhatsApp channel as well, right? You get all type of updates there, right? So these are the very important basics you should know about a fraction, right? Right. Right. And this Sunday, we are starting our quick revision program where we are covering the entire syllabus using 130 questions, 130 short questions, 25 structured essays, and this coming Sunday. This coming Sunday, we are starting in Team Complete Dehiwal and All Island Online, right? So if someone want to join in Shakti, right, that Team Complete Dehiwal All Island Online, Sunday, 8:30 to 10. 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Right? It will be completely free. Aniteka, you can join online also. That time the students who are joining here, they can join here in Shakti physically. Here it will be held only physically, right? From 2 to 3:30, right? මේ වෙලාවට එන්න. Right. So this is the book that we have to do, right? We have to cover this book in the maker. So this is the book we have to cover, right? So this only consists 130 short questions, 25 structured essays, and 60 essay type question. So you can cover your entire syllabus. You're planning to max to cover within 5 months. 5 or 6 sorry. Maximum giyot 6, නැත්නම් 5 වලින්. Maximum වුණොත් December වලින් ඉවර කරනවා. December වුණොත් December means December first or second week වලින් මේ කතාව ඉවරයි. So entire July it is completely free. So don't miss this chance everyone. ඉතින් ඒක තමයි කියන්න තියෙන්නේ, right? Right. Then online කට්ටිය පොඩි feedback එකක් දාලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ යන්න පුළුවන්. So if you want you can contact the office for further details.